Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from amandacrochets.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you part 4 of the Annie's Crochet Striped Afghan Club. I'm making the Plumberry Sampler Afghan, and in this video I'm going to show you stripes 10 through 12. Each month of the Annie's Kit Clubs you're going to receive yarn and your digital stitch guide in order to complete 3 stripes. For this particular club, the Crochet Striped Afghan Club, you're going to get 11 kits total. Each month you're going to get a different kit with a different yarn available, and each kit is $19.99 plus shipping and handling. Shipping to the United States is $5.95 and shipping to Canada is $6.95. However, they do not, as of right now, ship outside of the United States or Canada, so you can only get this kit club and any other kit club by Annie's in the United States or in Canada. Now, if you would like to participate in the crochet kit clubs, they currently have 6 different kit clubs available, and they just added recently the Crochet Mandala Afghan and the Love to Crochet Kit Club. These are all wonderful clubs to join, and I highly recommend giving them a try if you are interested. I do have a 50% off coupon if you want to click on the link in the description box below the video, and this will get you 50% off your first month subscription. If you do not know how to crochet, or you just want to check out some of their other kits, they do have knitting kits, paper crafts, sewing, and even some different crafts for kids. So there's definitely a wide range of different kits available on the Annie's Kit Club website that you can choose from and you can learn. So I think it's a great way to kind of learn something new and just try out something and maybe see what you like. So for this particular kit, the Crochet Striped Afghan Club, they currently have 5 different colorways available. So they have this one, which is the Plumberry colorway. They also have more of a neutral tone. They have like a beachy tone, and they even have a Christmas colored blanket. So I am really looking forward to seeing how this blanket works up in its entirety. So again, here is what the blanket looks like. Very pretty colors. And as you can see, you're going to be using a lot of different stitches throughout the blanket. I definitely think this is an advanced to intermediate crochet pattern. It's definitely not a very beginner pattern. However, if you do want to challenge yourself, if you just log into your Annie's Kit Club account, you can access different video tutorials for this particular kit club, and you can make sure that you understand how to do the different stitches. So if you look on the back of your booklet, you're going to see stripes 10, 11, and 12. So this is what you start with, and then here is where you are at in the particular kit. For each of the kits, you're going to receive the yarn that you need, as well as this handy dandy digital stitch guide. And here is a close-up of what stripes 10 through 12 look like. So it looks like you're going to be using a rib stitch. I think this is the bead stitch, and kind of just working a little bit of that lacy stitch. And in each kit you're going to get the yarn that you need as mentioned, and you're also going to need to get a size I9 5.5mm crochet hook, as well as a tapestry needle. Here's another shot of that blanket. And again, you just get a walkthrough of all the different stripes, as well as that crochet abbreviation guide. So the yarn for this month is going to be these 3 colors. You get cream, mulberry, and lagoon, and all 3 of these colors look very pretty together. And again, you're going to get the yarn that you need in each kit. And this is the Premier Anti-Pilling Everyday Worsted. If you've never used this yarn before, I highly recommend trying it. It's a super soft, really nice acrylic, so when you make this blanket, you know it's going to be a super soft blanket. So let me work up stripes 10 through 12 and show you what the blanket looks like overall and give you my thoughts on what the different stripes look like. So for stripes 10 through 12, we made the rib stitch, the bead stitch, and then we kind of did a little bit of a fillet stitch right up here. And for the rib stitch, all you did is make half double crochets, and then you did the front post double crochet with every other stitch. And it is a one-sided stitch, so the back of your work is going to be flat, while the front of your work is going to have that nice ridge to it. And for that cream section, you did the bead stitch, which I've actually never done before, and I thought it was going to be a lot more complicated than it is. But you just do a couple rows of single crochet, and then you do your bead stitch, and in between you have that double crochet. And like I said, I've never done the bead stitch before, but this is what it looks like. And then again, finally you use that mulberry color and you do double crochets, and then you skip a few stitches and you work in between the chains. So overall, I really like how this blanket's coming so far, and I really like the rib stitch a lot. That's probably one of my favorites that I like to do. And the bead stitch is not as intimidating as I thought, like I said, and this is a pretty easy section, which is single crochets, chains, and double crochets. So for stripes 10 through 12, you're going to use 3 different colors. You're going to use this lagoon color, which is that blue, the cream, and then this purpley color, which is called mulberry. So if we zoom out a little bit, I can show you what the blanket looks like so far. So we have strips 1, 2, and 3, which are just your basic stitches right here. And then you work into stripes 4, 5, and 6. This is your star stitch, then your bobble stitch, and then just a double crochet section. So you have stripes 7, 8, and 9, which is all very nice and pretty. And then again 10, 11, and 12 right here. So I really like the mix of colors in this blanket so far, and I'm excited to work with the next section, which is going to be stripes 13, 14, and 15. So stay tuned and I will show you the next section once I get up to that. But in the meantime, if you're interested, you can always check out the link in the description box and see about getting your first subscription and just checking out the different subscription that Annie's has to offer. So thank you so much for joining me on my journey onto finishing the Plumberry Sampler Afghan by Annie's Crochet Striped Afghan Club. I hope you give this kit a try, or you check out the many other kits that Annie's has to offer, as I mentioned. Now it's time to like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. And as always, happy crocheting! Bye!